Hey everybody, it's Derek, and today I'm in Westminster, California at the Luxe Buffet. Now, I'm a buffet lover no matter where I am. Today I happen to be in California. So if you want to see what buffets are like beyond Las Vegas, well, let's see what there is to eat. I just walked in and this place already looks amazing. There's a Brazilian barbecue station right in the center. And all the way around the buffet is just row after row of food. Starting with spicy Thai chicken, eggplant, sautéed bok choy, Chinese-style green beans, stir-fried shrimp with corn, vegetable delight, spicy salmon, steamed fish, baked salmon. These are southern ribs, baked scallops, and garlic bread. Fried bananas, crispy sole fish, orange chicken, everybody's favorites, beef with broccoli, Maggie steak, clam with black bean sauce, barbecued pork chop, seasoned shrimp, baked crab meats, chow mein noodles, fried rice, Peking chicken. I mean, this is just going on and on. The pot stickers, vegetable tempura, and chicken teriyaki. Fried chicken wings, French fries, sesame balls, and spring rolls, and dim sum. What's
this? This is favorite. I don't know. This is pork. This is pork, like pork cup.
Oh, it's a pork hot, yeah.
And it's steamed.
There's some pretty legit food here, like pork hocks and chicken feet. And some very hot containers of broth. And soups. Fish ball soup, miso soup, lobster soup. And just behind me, there is more food. This is Cajun butter seafoods, shrimp scampi, corn cheese, and pizza. Don't think I'd waste my time with pizza here, but there's so much more food, including the churrascaria station. There is carved beef, sausage, chicken, all the meats roasted right here and carved just for you. And of course, the Mongolian Barbecue station, where you fill up your plate with noodles and beef and vegetables, and they'll cook it right on the Tepan grill. Just choose what you want. There's chicken, beef, and all the vegetables. Lots of bean sprouts. I love bean sprouts. And if that were not enough, there is a pho station. If you're a fan of Vietnamese pho, they have that too. But we're not done yet. We still haven't gotten to the sushi. Of course, you have your California roll, and your spicy tuna roll, and the tiger roll. This one right here is called the Lux Roll, and it does look luxurious. There's crab roll, tuna roll, Philadelphia roll, rainbow roll, tempura roll, basically all the rolls. And of course the nigiri sushi if you just want the fish and rice. But there is still more beyond the sushi. There is salad. But we're not talking your typical salad bar. This is seaweed, marinated octopus, tofu and edamame, deviled eggs, and mushrooms and crab salad and more mussels, more seaweed and seafood and shrimp, and it's really like a Vegas buffet. And there's a salad bar if you're looking for that too. Of course, if you're looking for mini donuts, you'll find them here. There's a little mini donut machine pumping out the donuts as part of the dessert bar, and this is just the beginning. Because right next to the donuts is the wheel of ice cream. And all you have to do is ring the bell for service. Some pretty amazing flavors too. There's pina colada and caramel, melon, tiramisu, pistachio, mango, coconut, wild berry. Definitely an exotic assortment of flavors. There are also fresh cut fruits, melons, grapes, pineapple, strawberries, watermelon, and a chocolate fountain. You can dip the marshmallows in this liquid chocolate or any fruit you desire, or anything. You could really dip anything in that chocolate. Here's some real cute desserts. These are actually reserved for special occasions. The sign here says that the mini pastries are complimentary for guests having a birthday. Here's the actual desserts available to everyone on the buffet. These actually aren't labeled, unlike all the other food here at the Luxe Buffet. But you can make a pretty good guess at what these are. They're chocolate or strawberry. Those are little mini eclairs, and I'm pretty sure that's orange jello. Lots of little cakes and pastries and cookies, and it's all you can eat, so you might as well just try them all. Alright, it's about time I made a plate, and here is my first plate, and it's filled with chicken and fish and mussels and fried banana, and I don't even know what else I put on here because there's so much to eat. I just wanted it to try it all. And here's the Mongolian Barbecue grill plate, made to order just for me. Of course, I also got the sushi. How can you not? There is sushi and shrimp and orange chicken and rice and seaweed. And I'm going to eat this all. It's healthy, right? I couldn't resist this deviled egg. The little hot sauce dollop in the center. The little baby octopus with its head still on. And of course all the clams and barbecue pork ribs. Alright, for my next plate, I got more mussels. These are actually really tasty here at this buffet. Got the shrimp, scampi noodles, and fish and mushrooms. The mushrooms are very tasty too. They're trumpet mushrooms, I believe. And some dim sum buns, sweet buns. Well, speaking of sweet, it's that time. It's dessert. And I got an assortment of just about everything that caught my eye. It all looks like a tasty way to end my buffet meal. Alright, who am I kidding? I'm not going to end this meal just yet. The mussels and the mushrooms were just too good. And I had to get one more big plate loaded up with both of those things and some spicy Thai chicken and a fried banana, because it's all super tasty. Everything here at the Lux Buffet is super tasty. And this was not an expensive buffet. This is actually the lunch buffet during the week. I snuck in just before 3:45 p.m. for just $15.99, and dinner after 3:45 is $25.99. Weekend dinner, which is Friday and Saturday, and all day Sunday is $30.99. And that's for everything you've seen here and more. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about the Luxe Buffet. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas and beyond.